Hi everyone, welcome to Cache Walks.
Today we're going to the centre of Paris to see the Eiffel Tower and some of the caches around it.
So come and see what we see on our journey to the Eiffel Tower. We headed out early but found our way blocked by the Paris to Versailles run. 25,000 runners over the 16 kilometres from Paris to the Palace of Versailles. We stayed for a while to watch the start, but with so many runners it was going to be quite a while before everyone was on their way. There was a heavily armed police presence due to recent terrorist threats.
We detoured, passed through security, then it was into the elevator for a ride to the top observation floor. We purchased our tickets online before leaving home, so there's no waiting in long lines.
It was a windy day with showers of rain passing over. The views over Paris were amazing. It was crowded, but we could move around to get the best views.
Not very easy, but let's try. I have the Arc de Triomphe behind. Oh.
Our first cache was a virtual. You had to take a photograph with Gustave Eiffel in his office. It was Lynn's birthday, so we stopped for a glass of champagne. Happy birthday.
Thank you, cheers.
Cheers everyone.
We decided to walk part way down so we could get a better feel for the tower and its amazing views. We stopped into the restaurant for a birthday lunch and another chance to look at the amazing structure. Pistachio dessert. It's very tasty. Just you can taste the nuts in it. Lovely birthday dessert. The virtual cache's description gives some interesting facts about the tower. It is 324 metres or 1,062 feet tall, and apparently during cold weather the tower shrinks by about 15 centimetres or 6 inches.
And it was a walk through the streets nearby to find this cool geocache in the saddlebag of a bike chained to a roadside fence.
And he's cute. Today, on today's date, we've got little Topper. We'll send him on his way. We better find out where he wants to go first though.
The cute penguin trackable has been all over Europe, and we brought it back to New Zealand with us.
Then it was back in the rain to the gardens surrounding the Eiffel Tower to find two more traditionals. Thank goodness for travel umbrellas. It's a bit wet. A bit difficult. Another one, that's good. GeoRick. We were tired when we finally found our way to the metro for the journey back to our Airbnb. Well, I hope you enjoyed the Eiffel Tower and the caches around it. So thanks for watching.
And don't forget to go geocaching.